Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. It's me, Bethany, one busy mama, and I have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I am a little late on that. If you're interested in this look, it'll be coming out soon. BoxyCharm Wednesday, using the Natasha Denona palette. If you want to see what I got in my November Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, $25 a month, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the bag for November. Same colors as the Glam Bag, which is $12, but you get like a drawstring bag, which is really cute. I like the oranges, the browns, and the blue together. Very, very nice. There's a card, and Be Present is the theme. There is no pricing on here, so I will just show you what I got. Is a palette. It is the Shayna B Miami. You guys have seen this floating around. This is what it looks like. Very pretty. There are 8 shades. So there's that. And for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you get to pick 3 items. So I did pick this one, the Sugar Rush Tart. This is cute. Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. It is 0.1 fluid ounces or 3 ml. It's cruelty-free and vegan. So it looks like it's going to be a sheer, so that is really nice. I did also pick the Shayna B Miami palette. And then next is Seraphine Botanicals. This is the Fruit Butter Lip Mask. I do have one of her glosses, which I do like a lot. And she is cruelty-free and vegan. And here is the lip mask. This looks really cool. All right, so 0.5 fluid ounces or 15 ml. So I did pick that as well. And let's see, the 2 products that they chose were the Violet Voss. I did see a lot of people getting this. This shade right here is very coral. I think you could see it better now. And when you get up close, it's very orangey. But all these colors look very similar to the Natasha Denona palette. So I will pass that on, but they're very pretty, travel friendly. It has a mirror. And lastly, I got these Galactic lip crayons. They're pretty colors right there. This one is 3-in-1 lip sparkle and the color Twinkle. And this one is Periwinkle. Very pretty. I like that. Very purple. And this one is like a champagne color. Very, very nice. I do actually like that. All right, so this is my Glam Bag, 5 items, $25. I have 2 lip crayons, a mini palette from Violet Voss, Seraphine lip mask, Sugar Rush lip oil, and the Shayna B Miami palette, which is very nice. So I got 2 palettes. I really like it. This is all makeup. So for anybody who is thinking about trying Glam Bag Plus, think about it. That was all makeup, a really good bag, 2 palettes. I'm very happy with this bag. So, and you get a free bag. Why not? Let me know what you think. What was your favorite item out of this? And give me a thumbs up. And stay safe, guys.